In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion 5 minutes. First, log into Notion. Open the desktop app or the website and sign into your workspace. If AI is available, you'll see prompts and menu options as you type. That's all you need to follow along. Now open a page or start a new one. Give it a clear title, and if it helps, add a line that explains the goal of the page. A little context guides the AI toward the right style and level of detail. To draft from scratch, place your cursor on an empty line and press the space bar. An inline prompt appears. Describe what you want, for example, write a concise project overview for a marketing campaign. Submit, review the result, and refine. If it's off, add specifics like audience tone or word count, then regenerate. You can expand or shorten the draft and continue writing beneath it, or move the generated block to a better spot. To improve existing text, highlight the part you want to change and choose Ask AI from the formatting menu. Use it to rewrite for clarity, fix grammar, adjust tone, or summarize without losing your original meaning. Keep your selection tight so the model focuses on the right section, and skim the before and after to make sure the voice still sounds like you. For contextual assistance, type /AI to open AI blocks that work with the page's content. Pick options like summary or action items to quickly digest a long note or meeting doc. Because these tools read what's already on the page, even a single sentence of extra context, like the target audience or main objective, can noticeably improve the output. As you work, review everything with a critical eye. AI speeds up drafting and editing, but you're still the final editor. Give clear prompts, avoid sensitive information, and favor plain language over jargon so the model produces cleaner results. That's the workflow. Log in, open a page, draft with space on a new line, improve by highlighting and selecting Ask AI, and unlock context-aware blocks with /AI. Try these moves on your next plan, brief, or meeting notes, and you'll turn Notion into a fast, flexible writing partner.